Wow. You guys come so you do your...
That's like done. That's like done.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Marlos and Solifus, and today we are celebrating Auntie Adeli's birthday. So happy birthday to her. And hope you guys like and subscribe. And that's it. See you guys in a little.
I just want to say happy birthday to Auntie Adeli. And yeah, that's it.
Marsh?
It's been a long time, so like this video and comment below. And
What about you guys? Ronson? Ronson?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. What about you, Ronson?
I said happy birthday too.
Happy birthday. Okay.
So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while. So, when was the last time we did a video?
3 months ago. We haven't seen the camera in 3 months. But
We haven't made a video or a vlog with this guys for a long time. So we just want to say welcome back, and I hope everyone is safe and healthy. And yeah, so let's continue with the vlog. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Alright, so it looks like Mars is having a great time doing a barbecue. Let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit to see how he's doing on the barbecue. Please don't burn the chicken. Alright, let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Alright, cool. Oh yeah. Okay. Yes.
Flip, 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 flip. You want answer? Can you ask Auntie Lily or Mars? What? Even if it's those small ices,
for what? All of the puzzles?
I wanted to play this card peacefully, and Ewart calls me.
Bro, because like I just hear you go.
Freaking
Like, I just hear you laughing.
Simon takes over, and I was like, yup, I knew it. This guy just wants to play, bro. What's the battery? Is it good?
2 hours later.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. What I put the I always have to what you got. Mars, can you open that?
Apple Watch 2.
Let's see. Huh? Gang, gang, gang. Oh.
I was gonna get
All right.
Mom's gone.
last month.
Thank you guys for doing a good job barbecuing.
Sure.
Huh?
Oh, you say your mom had?
Mars, come on, shoot again. Now this is the last. Open. Open. Gang, gang. Gang. Getting ready for the next seafood. Mira. See you guys in a few.
Okay.
How much you slip for that?
Ayo, tidur orang. Dapat nawakan orang. Ini apa tu tau?
Netsök nerium natin. Wala sa balati, ay ito.
Wait. Okay. Look it up. Where's the potato? Where's the potato? Okay. Need that side? Oh, karaki juga. Iya, chef. Beri atik. Okay. Yes, chef. Yeah, chop take care ready. Wait. Really.
What about me?
We got a birthday girl.
Princess.
Birthday girl. After your row. Kari na ito.
24.
24.
Yes.
Okay. Look at that.
Oh. Sorry, Carver.
Dapat secret juga harus ini kacau. Terima.
Birthday girl. Birthday girl. House mother.
It's good to see all of you kids. Our uncle is here with us also. So for you kids, I need to have you stand up, introduce yourself, say your name, your parents, and who you look like more.
My name is Elson, and my mom and dad is Ruthie and Lily.
Ruthie and Lily.
My name is Willie Answer. Dad is Answer and my mom is Cara.
My name is Alex. My dad's London.
My mom's me.
Oh, my name is Marlson. And my parents' names are Ruthie and Lily.
My name is Rawson, and my parents are Sendo and My name is Kumar, and my parents are Cara.
You guys have to come out here.
My name is Oma, and my parents are
Jenny's.
My name is Celine, and my parents are Sendo and Hi, my name is Sissy. My parents are Answer and Cara, and I look like my mom.
My name is Mars, and my dad is Muti.
Where's Carter? No.
Leuk chocolate cake. Correct. Ja, ze net die children, die pensioen. Die sober, dat je niet van moet reden.
Go. Everybody go. Go get your food. Come on, so we can all eat. Okay. Come, Janice. You guys want to eat the seafood or you guys want to eat the barbecue? Huh?
Water.
Huh?
Please get one crab first to try.
Go get your plate over there. Give me your plate. Mara, can you tell us to bring the
Tira ba ating kika?
Guys, wash your hands.
Can you turn on the light over here? Okay. Tennis, get your food. Alright.
Seafood tayo po, Tiasik.
Is that one?
No, itong iti-witi. Ila sa utog. Papaliwin siya.
I walked around the hospital yesterday and
Mark, you eat seafood?
Oh. High five. Your favorite, right?
Hindi. Malalaman mo ba sikreto ba talaga? Pula.
Okay, there. Marsh, you got anything to say? Oh my gosh.
How's the food? How's the food?
Food is good.
Huh? Food is good? Food is good? What about you, Marlson? Did you like the food?
It was good.
Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and end the video. We want to say thank you to all of you guys for tuning in and watching our little vlog today. I'm sorry we cannot continue with the vlog because we're full. I cannot talk. Alright? But yes, hope you guys enjoyed the little vlog. We hope to see you guys next time. Right now I'm just about ready to go crash because I'm so full.
Is there
Is there what? Dessert? You mean like dessert?
What? Oh no, I said yes, sir.
Yeah. Alright, Mira. You want me to vlog you? Here.
Joe Biden.
Alright, so. Okay, what's up?
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Happy birthday to Auntie Yarafui, Auntie Tafa, and Auntie Secret. And see you guys in the next video. Peace!
Alright.
Ah, copyright.
Alright, see you guys.